Whitebit Crypto Exchange Review, my usage experience. Whitebit is a robust and user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange designed for both beginners and experienced traders. In this video, I'll break down my experience using Whitebit, focusing on its features, usability, and who it's best suited for. First off, Whitebit supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including major coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and smaller altcoins, making it versatile for diverse trading needs. Its standout feature is its security. Whitebit boasts industry-standard measures like two-factor authentication, 2FA, cold wallet storage, and DDoS protection, ensuring your funds and data are safe. The platform also excels in usability with its clean interface and intuitive trading tools. Whether you prefer spot trading, margin trading, or want to explore staking options, Whitebit has it all laid out in a way that's easy to navigate. For advanced traders, tools like limit and stop limit orders are available. And the trading charts powered by TradingView are highly customizable and provide comprehensive data analysis. On the other hand, beginners will appreciate the demo trading mode, where they can practice without risking real funds. Fee structures are transparent and competitive, with trading fees starting at 0.1%. While not the lowest in the market, these fees are reasonable considering the platform's features and security. Whitebit also provides excellent liquidity, ensuring smooth transactions without delays. For convenience, you can deposit and withdraw using both cryptocurrencies and fiat currencies, with multiple payment options like bank transfers and credit cards. Customer support has been a positive experience for me. Their team is available 24/7 via live chat and email, responding promptly and resolving issues efficiently. Another perk is their mobile app, which mirrors the functionality of the desktop version and keeps trading accessible on the go. Who is Whitebit for? It's ideal for anyone looking for a secure, all-in-one crypto trading platform. Beginners will enjoy the straightforward design and learning tools, while experienced traders will find the advanced features and analytics valuable. Overall, Whitebit is a well-rounded exchange that delivers on security, usability, and versatility, making it a solid choice in the crypto space. If you've used Whitebit, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews like this.